Hello bright minds, welcome back to the channel with another beautiful Olympiad math problem. So it is given that 3333 to the power of 6 times x plus 3333 to the power of 3 times x equal to this specific number. So I wouldn't try to read this number. So if you would be able to read this number, please make a comment and let me know. But it's not the problem. Our problem is find the value for x which satisfies this equation. This is an exponential equation and this is a really interesting question as well. First of all, I'm going to rewrite the equation as follow. So 3333 to the power of 6x. 6x can be written as 3x times 2 plus 3333 to the power of 3 times x is equal to this number. Then according to the exponential rules, we know that a to the power of m times n is equal to a to the power of n times m, which is also equal to a to the power of n to the power of m equal to a to the power of m power of n. We are allowed to switch these m and n values without any problem. Then I can rewrite the equation as follow: 3333 to the power of 3 times x whole to the power of 2 plus 3333 to the power of 3 times x is equal to this number. So now I am going to use a substitution here in the next step. So I am going to take as y is equal to 3333 whole to the power of 3 times x. Then I can rewrite my equation as y to the power of 2 plus y is equal to this number. Now we have got a quadratic equation, so we need to solve this quadratic equation to find the value for y. If we can find the value for y, then we can find the value for x. But here, to solve this quadratic equation, I am not going to use any traditional ways. If we use any traditional method like factorization or common formula, so it's going to be really hard to solve this quadratic equation. Instead of traditional methods, I'm going to use a different specific method to solve this quadratic equation. Now I'm going to do some math work on this specific number. Just imagine if we have 122, this can be written as, you can keep the 1, replace zeros for 2's and then add 22 after that. Similarly, if you take 1222, this is also same to keep 1, put 3 zeros instead of 2's and add 222. And think about 11,222. This is also can be written as keep 1's, add 3 zeros and 222. So similarly, if you think about our specific number, which is also can be written according to this pattern. So we can keep 1 here, we have 4 times 1, and instead of 2 we can put 4 zeros. We have 4 2's here, 4 zeros, and we can add 2222 at the end. We have the same number then. Now our equation is equal to y square plus y is which is equal to this number plus 2222. then y square plus y is equal to, this number can be written as 1111 times 10 to the power of 4 plus the 2222 can be written as 2 times 1111. Now I'm going to use another substitution in the next step for the convenience of the solving the problem. I will take t is equal to 1111. Then my equation will become y square plus y is equal to t times 10 to the power of 4 plus 2 times t. Now y to the power of 2 plus y is equal to, here t times 10 to the power of 4 means 10 thousands plus 2 times t. Now we have y square plus y is equal to t times 10,000 can be written as 9,999 plus 1 plus 2 times t. Y square plus y is equal to t times, this 9,999 can be written as 9 times 1,111 plus 1 plus 2 times t. Now we have y square plus y is equal to t times 9 times, we know that 1111 is equal to t. That is our substitution in the previous step. You remember that we have taken t is equal to 1111. Therefore we can substitute t here plus 1 plus 2 times t. Now we have y square plus y equal to t times, inside the parentheses we have 9 times t plus 1 plus 2 times t. Now I am going to eliminate the parentheses. T times 9 times t is equal to 9 times t squared plus t times 1 is equal to t plus 2 times t. Now we have y squared plus y is equal to 9 times t squared plus t plus 2 times t is equal to 3 times t. Now I am going to take all the elements to left hand side. Then we have y squared minus 9 times t squared plus y minus 3 times t is equal to 0. So I can factorize the equation now. 9 times t square can be written as 3 times t square whole to the power square. So now we have y square minus 3 times t whole to the power square. I'm going to put y minus 3 times t in the parentheses, which is equal to 0. So this can be factorized as y minus 3 times t times y plus 3 times t plus y minus 3 times t equal to 0. Now you can see that y minus 3 times t is the common factor of the left hand side of the equation. I'm going to take that out. So now we have y minus 3 times t. Inside the parentheses we have y plus 3 times t plus 1 equal to 0. So those two products are equal to 0. Therefore we can take, in first case, y minus 3 times t is equal to 0, or in second case y plus 3 times t plus 1 equal to 0. So I'm going to work on my first case now. So y minus 3 times t is equal to 0. So our initial submission is y is equal to 3333 to the power of 3 times x. This is our initial submission. So here we have y minus 3 times t is equal to 0. Then we can take y is equal to 3 times t. So now we have 3333 to the power of 3 times x is equal to 3 times t. T is equal to 1111. That is our previous substitution. So then we have 3333 to the power of 3 times x is equal to 3333, which is also can be written as 3333 to the power of 1. So now we know that according to the exponential rules, if a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, then we can say that m is equal to n. So same like that, similarly here, base is same, then we can take 3 times x equal to 1. So we have an answer for x now, which is x is equal to 1 over 3. Now our second case is y plus 3 times t plus 1 is equal to 0. Then we have y is equal to minus 3 times t minus 1. Again y is equal to minus 3 times t is equal to 1111. That is our substitution. Minus 1. Y is equal to minus 3 times 1111 is minus 3333 minus 1. So we have the answer for y, which is equal to minus 3334. But initially we have taken y is equal to 3333 to the power of 3 times x. Then we have 3333 to the power of 3 times x is equal to minus 3334. But we know that for any real number of x, this value 3333 to the power of 3 times x cannot be minus. It's not possible. Therefore, in this case, we don't have a real value solution for x.